Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Colorado 4x4 Extra Cab. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, and power windows.